operating costs thanks to more efficient designs, to the ability to operate brand new equipment with little maintenance costs, leasing a semi-truck can be a great option for owner-operators who are looking to start or grow their business without committing to buying a truck. As a business owner who leases a semi-truck, there are several things you can do to set yourself up for success. In this video, we'll go over our top 5 tips on how to be a successful lease operator to help your business stay moving and be profitable. Before you lease a semi-truck, we recommend doing some research to ensure this is the right path for you. You can look into what it takes to be an owner-operator, truck leasing companies or dealerships and what they offer owner-operators, how much to expect for weekly truck payments, what type of truck you'd be interested in leasing. Since the transportation industry is always changing, successful lease operators also stay informed about current market conditions and trends. Once you have your truck, scheduling regular maintenance is very important. Regular maintenance can help you avoid major costly repairs and breakdowns down the road. There are 4 types of preventative maintenance that are recommended. Dry preventative maintenance every 10,000 to 25,000 miles. Wet preventative maintenance on average every 25,000, but newer trucks can go up to 50,000 miles with proper care. An overhead adjustment every 100,000 to 500,000 miles depending on your truck's engine. An initial operating inspection at 15,000 miles so you can address any concerns you might have. You can find more details on equipment maintenance in our semi-truck preventative maintenance schedule and tips video. Some companies, like SFI, offer maintenance assistance to help owner-operators manage the cost of repairs. Additionally, at SFI, clients contribute to a maintenance account to prevent out-of-pocket expenses on preventative, routine, and unexpected repairs. Anticipate what your expenses will be as an owner-operator. One of the largest will be your truck. When considering your truck expenses, you will want to factor in the cost of your trucks, lease payments, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. You'll want to set aside money for taxes, which we will talk about later in this video. Expenses vary by owner-operator depending on many factors, such as the type of truck you're driving, where you're driving, what you're hauling, the company you lease from, and whether you've leased a truck before. It can be beneficial to have extra money handy in case there's an emergency. Putting money into a savings account can help you make payments if you have a slow week, month, or if your truck has unexpected maintenance needs. At SFI, we offer the option for our clients to set aside money every week into a truck credits program. This program allows owner-operators to plan ahead to prevent a potential past due balance, and unused credits can be used for a truck upgrade at the end of the lease. Owner-operators don't have taxes automatically withheld from their settlements like company drivers do on their paychecks. As a business owner, you'll need to file quarterly, federal, and state income taxes. It is recommended that you set aside between 25% and 30% of your weekly income for tax purposes. If you need additional help preparing for tax season, groups like American Truck Business Services provides owner-operators and business solutions such as tax returns, bookkeeping, and business planning. We hope this video gave you a better understanding of how to be a successful lease operator for the long haul. Contact an account administrator at SFI to go over our lease options for new and gently used trucks. Give us a call at 800-521-5859 or apply online at sfitrucks.com.